Let's talk recessed lights. These Amico recessed lights come with a special feature, which is a night light. Once installed through retrofit, you're able to then switch it over from a regular recessed light that's a downlight to just an ambient glow night light with the flip of a switch. Really simple to do. Now with these, I'm going to be replacing my old recessed lights that were in the kitchen with these new Amico 6-inch recessed lights. And I want you guys to follow along and see how simple it is to upgrade your old recessed lights. So let's begin and get these installed. So here is the unit itself. This is your 6-inch recessed light that's going to be replaced with your old bulbs that you're going to take down from the old housing. It comes with the adapter that all you have to do is screw that into the light socket, and now you'll have power. Flip it around. You're going to have your count right here, and then you're going to have a button that you're going to push up or down, and it's going to let you select what color you would like your lights to be. So let's get these unboxed. Put in the clamps that will then help you install this into a housing and then get it installed. And just like that, you snap them in and then slide it into place. And just like that, you saw how simple it was to install these retrofit recessed lights into existing can lights. All you have to do, unscrew the bulb, screw the new light fixture in, select the color that you would like. This is a 3000 count. And the nice thing about these, they are also dimmable. And then once you turn it off and turn it back on, as you can see, that is the night light feature that if you needed ambient lighting throughout the night, you could leave the night light feature on and it will illuminate the space, but not make it seem like the light is blinding. So overall, these Amico 6-inch recessed lights are fantastic for anybody looking to update their recessed lighting. Thanks again for watching. Good luck for your purchase and have a great day.